Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new to the channel and like the content, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Advisor AstroHelm watch. Advisor is one of the micro brands. We were talking back and forth and they agreed to send me one of their watches in for a review. But instead of receiving a watch in for review, reviewing it and sending it back, I decided that I wanted to purchase one and review it and to keep it. Because the design and the specs have really impressed me and I couldn't resist, I needed to have this watch in my collection. The watch has a double dome sapphire crystal. It has an all stainless steel case with 100 meters water resistance. It has a Seiko NH35 movement, of course hacking and hand winding, classic California dial, and the style that is sort of an homage, is very reminiscent of Panerai PAM 424. I just had to have the watch and it's finally here, so here's the unboxing. Enjoy. Alright, so here's the watch. Here's the packaging that the watch ships in. As you can see, I already cheated and I actually opened this part here. Now the reason why I did that is because at the moment I was waiting for quite a few different watches, and to be honest I just wasn't sure which one arrived, and I needed to open the box and actually see which one it is. Right off the bat, the packaging is done really well. This part here is just paper. This part here is actually plastic, or if it's not plastic, at least it feels like plastic. It feels like a high quality packaging here. We also have the Advisor certificate of authenticity and kind of the warranty card here, I guess. And it does have a 12-month warranty. All right, let's skip the boring part and let's get to the actual watch. At a first glance, you would think that this watch is a Panerai PAM 424 homage because of that California dial and because of the overall case shape. And in some aspects, I guess you are right, but I would think that this is an homage to Panerai, but it's the kind of homage that I really like because they have copied or paid homage to some of the elements, but they did not copy all of the elements of the design, and they also changed some things, in my opinion, for the better. So the Panerai PAM 424, the big kind of negative of that watch, for me at least, is the size. That watch is 47 millimeters in diameter. So that's huge. This watch here is 44 millimeters, which is a lot more reasonable. That was a big selling feature for me, and also the set of specs for the price was another selling feature. Now I'm not going to talk too much about the history of the California dial. Again, very strongly associated with the Panerai, or the earliest, I guess, seen on the watch was the Rolex bubble back. I'll cover all those things in the official review. This is just to give you kind of my initial impressions and the unboxing, show you what the packaging looks like. But basically, why I decided to buy this watch instead of just receiving it for the review and sending it back is, first of all, I love the design of Panerai. I think it's a very simplistic, straight to the point design, nothing extra kind of added to the watch. But of course the price tag of around $10,000 for the new PAM 424 is a little bit too extreme for me, and the size of 47 millimeters is in my opinion way too big. Now this watch here retails at $250 US. Now Advisor actually provided me with the discount link, and that's how I bought my watch, with the discount link. So if you use 24 hours time when you check out, if you are purchasing one of these watches, again, I'm not telling you to buy it or not buy it, that's up to you. I'm just here to give you my initial impressions, and in a week's time I'll probably not in a week, but in a couple of weeks I'll give you the full overview. But basically, if you use that promo code, you will get additional 15% off, so that comes to around I think $210, $215, and I think for $215 that's a hell of a deal for this watch. So of course you have that California style dial. Basically have Roman numerals at the top and you have Arabic numerals at the bottom. It does have this lume that's been yellowed artificially to give it a look of a vintage
or worn out or faded lume or radiant lume. So kind of a cool touch. The overall case shape, again, very reminiscent of the Panerai. Of course, doesn't have the wire lugs that are so iconic and so associated with the Panerai. This one has kind of full lugs. Now at the back is one of the stars of the show, the Seiko NH35 movement. It was actually one of the big reasons why I decided to buy this watch. Very well respected, hacking and hand winding, very accurate, and kind of a workhorse movement. You can have this watch without service for years and it will still run and it will still keep perfect time. Another reason why I actually picked up this watch is because of this double domed sapphire crystal. Just look at that thing. That looks incredible. So again, $215, $10 with the discount code, whatever it is. I think it's a hell of a deal. The strap, yeah, the strap feels really good. It's a good quality strap. We also have Advisor logo on this tank buckle. It's a big and hefty watch. It feels like a quality watch. It doesn't have the onion or the diamond crown. It's a screw down crown. Let me just unscrew it. All right, so first position, second position, the second hand stops sticking. Easy to operate. Yeah, it's a joy. And screw the crown back in. Yeah, I'm impressed with this watch. I'm super excited to wear it. Let me just remove this outer plastic. You can really see the camera equipment. Hey guys, you can see me waving, you can see the window. Wow, really cool, really cool. Now this is what I would call a great homage. All right, now before I go, let me just pop it on my wrist because I can ramble on for hours. And here's what the watch looks like on my 7¼ inch wrist. It's a big watch. If you have a wrist of under, I'd say 6 inches, it would probably look too big because it is a 44mm diameter, and this double domed crystal makes the watch a pretty big presence on your wrist. But it is comfortable. It's really well made. It hugs my wrist well, and the strap feels good. It feels great and secure on my wrist.
All right, my friends, so that was the unboxing of Advisor AstroHelm V2. I am pretty excited about this watch, I gotta tell you, and I don't regret buying it. If you are looking to pick one up, there's a promo code, 24 hours time, you get a 15% off, which I think is pretty good. But even paying a regular price of $250 for the specs that you get, in my opinion, that's pretty good value for money. One thing I forgot to mention about these watches is the fact that they are limited quantity. So I believe they're making 100 of a stainless steel look and 100 of the gold look for the automatics. And I believe they're also making 100 stainless steel and 100 gold look for the quartz. There is a quartz version of this as well. So check out their website if you're thinking of picking one up. Again, maybe wait for the official review before you buy one, but if you really want it and you don't want to miss out, it's not a bad value proposition in my opinion. I appreciate you watching until the end. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you enjoyed the content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.